What is a blockchain platform? Blockchain platform allows you to develop, test, and host these decentralized applications. So without a platform, you cannot run your application. Blockchain platform is a place where developers can develop, test, and host these decentralized applications. These applications or these platforms can be open, closed, or permissionless platform. Depending on your application, you need to choose which is the most suitable platform for you. So how do these platforms work? Does this platform work on their own? No. This platform need an operating system. So let me tell you how this application works. First, you have your operating systems. This could be Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, or any other operating system available in the market. But most of the blockchain applications are running on a Ubuntu or a Linux-based operating systems now. And on top of this operating system, that is where you have your blockchain platforms. So these blockchain platforms like Ethereum, Hyperledger, OpenChain, Solana, EOS, there's Corda. So there are more than 35 plus blockchain applications available, blockchain platforms available as of today. There's a separate video I hosted especially for the number of platforms available as of today. You can go watch that video. The link will be in the description. You can click on the link and watch the video. Coming back to the platform, so these are the this is how the first is your operating system, and on top of your operating system there is a blockchain platform, and on top of that we have these applications like a decentralized applications. Users can develop it. Then your cryptocurrencies are hosted now, whether it's a Dogecoin, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. All the cryptocurrencies are running on this particular platforms. Then also there are enterprise applications. Now your supply chain management or some of these banking system or enterprise applications are running on the platform. So this is a glimpse of how a blockchain application works. I hope this information is useful for you and you learned something from this video. If you really like this video, click on the like button, click on the share button, share with your friends. And if you're not subscribed to channel, do subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about blockchain technology. That's it on this video. I'll be doing more and more such useful content, more and more useful videos for you. So make sure you click on the bell button so that you get an alert whenever I upload a new video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.